Hello everyone. Today I am going to explain Bessel's interpolation formula. This formula is applicable when u laying between 1 upon 4 to 3 upon 4, that is u belongs to in the closed interval 1 upon 4 to 3 upon 4, where u is equal to x minus x naught upon h, and we have a tabulated data is of the form x naught, x1, x2 to xn, and the y values corresponding to x arguments are denoted by y0, y1, y2 to yn, and we want to compute the value of the y at any value x is equal to xi, which laying at the center of the given tabulated data. So formula is y of u is equal to y0 plus y1 upon 2 plus u minus 1 upon 2 del y square plus u minus 1 upon 2 factorial del 2 y minus 1 plus del 2 y0 upon 2 plus u minus 1 upon 2 upon 3 factorial del cube of y minus 1 plus u square minus 1 u minus 2 upon 4 factorial del 4 y minus 2 plus del 4 y minus 1 upon 2 plus and so on. So here I will explain this concept with the help of a numerical problem. Now problem is using Bessel's interpolation formula to find the value of the y at x is equal to 25 for the data given below. Now x arguments 20, 24, 28, 32, y values corresponding to x arguments 2854, 3162, 3544, 3992. So when we compute the value of the y at x is equal to 25, so x is equal to 25 laying between 24 to 28. So in that case, here we consider the initial argument, that is x naught is equal to 24 because 25 is near to 24, so x naught is equal to 24, and the interval difference at h is equal to 4, so the value of the u is equal to x minus x naught upon h. X is 25, x naught is 24 upon h is 4, so this is 1 upon 4. So 1 upon 4 belongs to the closed interval 1 upon 4 to 3 upon 4, hence Bessel's interpolation formula is applicable. So now formula is applicable, so we construct the difference table. So difference table is, so x arguments are 20, 24, 28, 32. So here we consider 24 as the initial argument. So u is equal to 0. Upper values are negative and below values are positive. So this is minus 1, this is plus 1, this is plus 2. Y values are given, then the first order forward difference del y means this value minus this. So with the help of the calculator we obtain 308. This value minus this, so 382. This value minus this is 448. Now second order forward difference, this value minus this is 74, this minus this is 66, and 66 minus 74 is minus 8. So this value corresponding to u, this is y minus 1, this is y0, this is y1, this is y2. Now this value is del y minus 1, this is del y0, this is del y1, this is del 2y minus 1, del 2y0, and this is del cube of y minus 1. So this is the y0, this is the y1, then this value is del y0, then this value is del 2y minus 1, and this is del 2y0, and this is del cube of y minus 1. Now using the Bessel's interpolation formula, and formula is y of u is equal to average of y0 and y1 plus u minus 1 upon 2 del y0 plus u minus 1 upon 2 factorial average of del square y minus 1 and del square y0 plus u minus 1 upon 2 u minus 1 upon 3 factorial del cube of y minus 1. So here from the difference table and obtain the value of u is 1 upon 4 and substitute in equation 1. So u is equal to 1 upon 4, y0 is 3162, y1 is 3544. So substitute both values here. Plus u is 1 upon 4 minus 1 upon 2, del y0 is 382 plus 1 upon 4 minus 1 upon 2 factorial del 2y minus 1. So this is del 2y minus 1, this is del 2y0 plus 1 upon 4 minus 1 upon 2, 1 upon 4 minus 1 upon 3 factorial is 6, del cube of y minus 1 is 8. So substitute all the values in equation 1 and after simplification we obtain the required result. So now substituting these values in the equation. So 3162 plus 3544 upon 2 plus 1 upon 4 minus 1 upon 2 multiply by 382 plus 1 upon 4 minus 1 upon 2, that is 2 factorial is 274 plus 66 upon 2 plus 1 upon 4 minus 1 upon 2, 1 upon 4 minus 1 upon 3 factorial is 6 multiply by minus 8. Now simplify this with the help of the calculator. Then we obtain y of 0.25 is equal to 3250.88 approximate. So this is the required value, that is y at x is equal to 25. Now next question, based on the Bessel's interpolation formula, try yourself. Find the value of the u at x is equal to 25 using the Bessel's formula for the data given below. So x arguments are 20, 24, 28, 32 and y values corresponding to x arguments are 24, 32, 35, 40. So in that case here x is equal to 25, so we consider x naught is equal to 24 and compute the value of the u is equal to 25 minus 24 upon h is equal to 4. So this is 1 upon 4. So 1 upon 4 belongs to closed interval 1 upon 4 to 3 upon 4. It means Bessel's interpolation formula is applicable. And construct the difference table and from the difference table substitute the values from the difference table and u is equal to 1 upon 4 in the Bessel's interpolation formula and simplify with the help of the calculator. Then we obtain the value of the y at x is equal to 25 is equal to 32.94. This is the approximate value and 25 y at x is equal to 25 because this is laying between 24 and 28. So this value laying between 32 to 35. So this is 32.94. So this is the concept of Bessel's interpolation formula. So in the next class, that is next video, I will explain the concept of average interpolation formula. So thank you very much.